what's up, man? So today I'm going to show you how to unlock basically everything. So I'm doing. I just have to wait. Wait, let me try. Okay, fine. Let me show you some little seconds and also something else. So first, I want you to go into Mystic Cave Zone Act 2. Wait a second. So all you have to do is just go through this level. Yeah, I'm gonna recommend it. So I'm using contact right now, but you don't have to use it. You can also play the game normally, but you actually can reduce contact and continue with people in contact to reach them. So it's not using it. Yeah, Mr. K Act 2. Wait, what the fuck? Hey, I've never seen this before. Oh, I have seen. What the hell? I'll show you also a lot of them. So one of them requires you to move this one. Okay, I wish I had Supersonic here, but since this is time attack, we do have you see this area, right? Don't go near the medium, drop down. Oh. Oh, sorry. You guys are late. Actually, what? Apparently. Wait a second. Actually, guys, so I have that one. Apparently, it's not the entire password. You're get to Act 1 here, so that will get it. Alright, repeat Act 1. Now, we've got way a little bit. Okay, I get a game. I get a game. Okay. On to Act 2. So, sorry for that. Yeah, I didn't know that they moved it. I know it's new, but what they moved, the sometimes is has its own content. This year, just fall down. This is hidden palace. So this is the secret hidden palace. So you gotta beat the zone. I've already done it, so I've done it, so it's all you have to beat the zone and then wait. So now guys go into come on, okay, you gotta go into no save mode. Do whatever click you want. And now on your screen press SEGA. Yeah, then you'll hear a ring sound. Now just hold one finger on the left side and one finger on the right side of the screen and boom. Now go down to the sound technology. So first I'm gonna tell you how to get all memories immediately. 4, 1, 2, 6. That is supersonic. What else there? Other than this, what else is there? Okay. So now for the secret now first 1 9 9 2 1 1 2 Layering sound. That's debug mode. But you'll need this for the other. So after you type in debug mode, then immediately type in this code. 333 B 10 10 10 4. Layering sound. So first, let me also show you something else. 000. For example, get you this. Make use of this. Then, yeah, you just change. You can play as Knuckles and Tails for God's sake. Let's play as Sonic again. Let's turn Fly and Air Cap. Air Cap is like when they make a limit to airspeed. As we're calling it. Now, after you play that 192 to 4 and 333 B 10 10 10 4, then go here. Proto Power Zone. This is a secret zone in the game that was in the Simon. That was in the Nick Arcade Simon Library. So turning on that also gives you the Conquer Instant Shield. But if you already have it, then Supersonic! Tails box, for God's sake. Everything is here. And also, there's another probably it's probably there's probably Sonic and because what's the end of the road? I want to do next one. Yeah, acceleration super. Nope. Oh. So you reach this and you know just bypass it with debug mode. So press the top left corner and you'll reach debug mode. Oh, wait, what the hell? Okay. Scroll through items and press the jump button to place them. So I can give you like a million life. And also place S mode. And also the thingies. Okay. I'm gonna place like a million of these things around. Wait a second. Why is it moving like that? Okay, just place it down. Now. Yeah, boy. Yeah, let's just place it on there. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, once you step on this emerald, you. Yeah. So, there's a theory made by someone I can remember. I think Bickery box or like the same. I'm pretty sure it was the same. So I'm thinking he said that when you get he's saying as a theory, he seems there is like when you get all the emeralds, you go to the hidden power zone and then you step on the emerald to turn to super. Because that and he's saying that and that's a theory, but he's saying that because you might have reused this for Sonic Adventures. Because you know, the master gives you hate the super food. It's not in Sonic 3 anymore, because it gives you the hate version. But that's scary, but bye. Okay, fine, bye. I'm sorry for those meow videos. I just forgot to release them. Come on, I was so late. Don't go over part of one giant video. Come on. Okay, bye.